Hello, welcome again to Marvelous Iran channel. My name is Fatima, English and French tour leader in Iran. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you Bird's Garden in Isfahan. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday I'm going to show you a new tourist attraction in Iran. The Bird's Garden in Isfahan is a popular attraction for nature lovers and bird enthusiasts. Located in the foothills of Zagros Mountains, this garden provides a unique opportunity to observe and interact with various bird species in a natural and peaceful setting. The Bird's Garden is a spacious and well-maintained area that spans over several hectares. It is designed to resemble the natural habitats of different bird species, offering a glimpse into their diverse ecosystems. The garden features lush greenery, trees, and ponds, creating a serene environment for both birds and visitors. Visitors to the Bird's Garden can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the well-marked path, allowing them to discover a wide variety of bird species. The garden is home to both native and migratory birds, offering a chance to observe their behavior, listen to their melodious songs, and appreciate their vibrant plumage. The garden provides various facilities to enhance the visitor's experience. There are observation decks and platforms strategically placed throughout the garden, allowing visitors to get closer to the birds without disturbing their natural habitat. Additionally, there are information boards and signage providing details about the different bird species found in the garden, their habits, and their conservation status. The Bird's Garden also serves as an educational center, organizing workshops, lectures, and guided tours to raise awareness about bird conservation and the importance of preserving their habitats. It is an ideal destination for families, students, and anyone interested in bird watching and enjoying the tranquility of nature. Overall, the Bird's Garden in Isfahan offers a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of birds in their natural environment. It is a place where visitors can escape the bustling city life and immerse themselves in the peaceful world of these fascinating creatures.